Hey guys, this is Cory with Fun Town RV Amarillo, and today we're going to take a look at a great front kitchen travel trailer. This is the 2024 Keystone Bullet Model 265 FK. All the specifications for this front kitchen travel trailer will be down in the video description below, as well as a link to the current pricing on these. So you can check that at any time without having to talk to a salesperson if you're not ready to. Now, if you could do me a favor as we go through this video, leave me some feedback. Let me know what you think of this Bullet. And if you wouldn't mind, hit that like button down below. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe and notification bell down below as well. I would greatly appreciate that. I would love to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on to the inside. So this is your view as you walk in the 265 FK. And a couple options here. We've got these optional theater seats. Now these are really handy. They're directly across from the TV, as we'll see here in just a moment. You can also get this with a tri-fold sleeper sofa if you need a little bit of extra guest sleeping capacity. Now next to that, we've opted for the standard booth dinette. So this will turn down into a great size sleeping area for a grandkid or two, as you can see in the video that will pop up. All your windows in the slide out do open for ventilation, which is really nice. And all of your windows are going to have the pull down roller nightshades, which is really nice as well. USB plugs right there. And you're gonna have some more USB plugs in that corner. No carpet in any of these Bullets too, by the way. They use the marine grade pontoon boat style flooring, which is very nice. And it's stain resistant too, which is really cool. Now, one of the things front kitchens are really good for is all this countertop prep space. One of the things they are not so good with though is campside window coverage. So you've got a window there plus a frosted glass window in the entry door. So that really is your only view out to your campsite. Now, if we take a seat at the theater seats, you can see you've got a pretty good angle for watching TV. Now, that is on a swing arm mount. This unit just got here, fresh off the delivery truck, so I have not unstrapped everything yet, but really good viewing angle from the right side, and then, or I'm sorry, the left side, and then that would be the right side as well. Now, that Connex TV does have a built-in sound bar, so this will control the interior and exterior speakers too, which is pretty cool. Down below that, you do have your 5200 BTU electric space heater fireplace. So that's basically a fancy electric space heater that will provide some supplemental heating. No heat vents in the floor. You can see one of them right there. Well, I say that they do put one in the bedroom. Just, you know, in your main area anyway, you have cabinet ducted heating. And then you do have the 15K AC. You are going to have 2 air conditioners on this particular one. I know that's an option that some dealers will opt out of. Then you've got your slide out controls, your water pump, lighting controls, tank monitoring panel. And then this is really cool too. So this is a little courtesy light that's down there on the floor. And then inside the main entry doors, since this one has 2, you're going to have a motion sensor light that will kick on as soon as you open the door, which is really nice. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead now and we'll open up all this storage and take a look at the kitchen in a little more detail. So first things first, in your theater seat, you have these little hideaway hidden cubby holes in each armrest, plus the center console. That's a perfect spot for the remote. So that's really cool. I do like that. Underneath your dinette, you have these 2 plastic bins that come with the trailer. And these are, you know, you can slide them in, do all that jazz. Now over here, you are going to have some good storage right there. And let's see if they did it on this one too. Oh yeah, you've got the little courtesy light over there, plus a 110 volt outlet. That is cool. And this table is fully free floating too, so you can move it wherever you really want to. I do like that. Press membrane thermofoil style countertops. You've got two big old drawers. These are full extension plywood box, ball bearing drawer guided drawers. And then you've got some great storage underneath there as well. What do you think about this kind of charcoal grayish blue color too? Household and USB outlets there. Great countertop prep space. And then you've got this big old windshield. Hopefully you're not staring at a RV dealership lot when you're camping, but you do have some good good space there, plus a little shelf for some things that you want to keep out when you're at your destination. More storage here, plus you've got your microwave, and this is really cool. This is a convection oven. That is hard to find in a bumper pull. You got your hood range vent, another electrical outlet there, two more drawers. You've got some decent little storage right there. One basin sink with the high-rise pull-down sprayer faucet. Well, maybe. Pull-down sprayer faucet. Plus, you do have the roll-away drying rack. Two more drawers here. You've got your 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover. Oven down below in case you want to do some baking. Plus, you do have your bonus drawer here for some pots and pans. And then you are going to have your 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt DC compressor driven refrigerator. Lastly, right over here, you are going to have your big old pantry. No kitchen is complete without a pantry. So great storage right there. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead now and we'll jump back to the back and take a look at the bedroom and bathroom. All right, guys, so stepping into the bathroom, you are going to have a radius shower. It is the larger radius shower, though, which is really nice. If I go ahead and step up in here and flip this around, you can see that I've got plenty of room. The skylight placement's kind of funky. I think they should have moved it over like 3 or 4 inches. But I've got plenty of room here. Right here's going to be your tankless water heater controls. Plus you've got your lighting controls here. Porcelain foot flush lever toilet. And if I go ahead and take a seat there. It's a little tight on the shoulders, but I am kind of wide in the shoulders. Now, if we flip that back around, you can get a close-up on my face for some stupid reason. But you've got plenty of legroom right there. Plus, you've got some good storage here. TFI protected outlet, thermofoil style countertops, decent-sized sink, running into things. Plus, you've got a mirrored medicine cabinet. Now, you do have a sliding pocket privacy door with the upgraded metal hardware to close off of this bathroom. And then this is going to be, I believe, a king-size bed, which is really nice. So I do really enjoy that. Above here, and of course I forgot some lighting, you've got some good storage here. And right there. Plus you'll have one more on the other side. And then household and USB outlets with little corner stands on both sides of the bed. That is smart. Plus I like the 3 windows. You do have a second non-ducted air conditioner. And let's see if we've got storage underneath the bed. Ah, we do. And we've got extra bonus drawers. That, my friends, is pretty dang cool. Struggling. All right, so over here, you've got some mirrors. Big old wardrobe. Man, that is very nice. Down here, you've got 6 of these drawers. I'll just open one of them. We'll open 2 of them so you can see. Let's do 3. As you can see there, plus a little more storage right there. And then some more good storage right here. Now, if you do want to add a TV, you can do that too. Would go right here. There's the backer, and you've got the appropriate hookups. Plus, you are going to have a motion sensor light and an exterior entrance door with another one of those power outlets. All right, guys, let's go ahead now and we will close the doors and see what you can and can't get to with the slide outs in. Okay, so this one has two-part travel access. So as you can see here, you can open your refrigerator all the way. Same thing with the freezer. You can get up here. You can get to your drawers. You can get to your cabinets. There we go. Kind of a funky angle. You just want to make sure that this is fully closed before you open or close the slide out. So you can get to all the kitchen, your dinette, your theater seats, even your pantry. But you're probably thinking, I can't get to the bathroom. Well, that's where this second door comes in. So as we go up here, you go right into the bedroom and right to the bathroom. So do you have to put 2 steps down potentially to travel stop? Yes, but you can get to everything. And I think that's the most important thing. So this one passes the travel test. All right, guys, so we're on the outside of the 265 FK. Starting up front, you have the automotive painted 3/4 front cap with the LED docking lights and front windshield. Diamond plate rock guard below, plus you are going to have your power tongue jack, 2 20-pound propane tanks, your battery disconnect, and your battery that comes from the manufacturer. Now coming over here, you have a little bit of pass-through storage. Front kitchens don't have the best pass-through storage, but this is better than some I've seen. You do have the new fancy holdbacks, slam latches, tankless on-demand water heater. Plus, if we drop down here, you can see you've got your power stabilizer jacks, LP quick connect, and a fully enclosed and forced air heated underbelly. You have a huge power awning that covers both entry doors that does have LED light strips built into it, and you are going to have 2 outside speakers. You have MORryde step above steps on both entry doors. This front one does have the bigger of the 2 entry handles though. Power and cable if you want to add an outside TV, plus a backer right there, so you can do that. Got your tandem axles. And then right here, you're gonna see you've got the smaller entry assist handle, but still the MORryde step above steps. And your rear stabilizer jacks. Now the Bullet does have a 220 watt solar package up on the roof. It is a fully walkable roof. I was just up there checking it in a little bit ago. You got a ladder to get up there, backup camera prep, all LED tail and marker lights. You got your spare tire carrier, your 50 amp service, and your bumper for your stinky slinky. Now coming back over here, you've got 2 slide outs. They are prepped for Solaris slide awning toppers. You've got a big chunk of storage underneath your bed, and it's separate from the inside one, which is really nice. There is one of your dumps for your bathroom, so your black and gray tank dumps. There is a better look at those wheels and tires. Here's your main slide out. And then up here, you can see you are going to have your other dump right there. Now in here, this is your docking station. So you've got your outside shower with hot and cold water, your key TV, which is your cable and satellite inlet, your power stabilizer jack controls, your freshwater, city water, black tank flush, water heater bypass, winterization, all that good stuff. And then over here, you're going to have your other battery disconnect switch and your solar charge controller. Slam latch door on that too. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the 2024 Keystone Bullet Model 265 FK. If you're interested in this beautiful front kitchen travel trailer and you'd like pricing and availability, again, that will be down in the video description, as well as all of the specifications for this front kitchen travel trailer. Remember, at Fun Town RV, we don't do any of those pesky hidden dealer fees, and we have the best products, best selection, and the best prices around. So we hope to see you out here at Fun Town RV very soon. We'll see you on the next one.